In today's video, we're going to look at the UHURU UM900. It's another reasonably priced microphone. This one's very similar to the UM910 that we reviewed before, which is a microphone with a desk mount, rather than this one has a, as you can see, it's got a boom arm. If you want to see our review on that, you can see it at the top of the screen. But without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. Something I forgot to mention is that this whole review will be done using the microphone you're going to see here, as with all of our microphone reviews. So to start with, you get the use manual, as you would normally expect. I'll put a picture of the this up on screen. You've got your foam top, just a little support. And this is your pop filter. It's just a clamp that clamps onto the boom arm, and it's double-sided, as you can see. So under here we have some Velcro. These you can just strap the cable onto the boom arm with. You've got the USB cable. This is the microphone holder, just spring tension, and it just screws into the boom arm on there, standard fitting. This is the desk mount, and that's the hole that the boom arm fits into. This is obviously the boom arm. I'll show you that all going together in a minute. And of course the microphone itself. If I can get the camera to focus, lovely. And just a USB connection in the bottom there, as you'd expect. So we can go straight on into the building of the microphone. So you have the desk mount, as we said before, and this just clamps onto the bottom of any desk. I'm going to put it in the side here. We just tighten it up nicely so it's firm. Loosening this screw till you can't see the thread inside the hole. That'll allow the boom arm to slide in there without an issue. And just tighten it up in the position that you want, and that will hold it. I'm just going to move it around a bit and tighten it again. Now we can just take the microphone holder, by pushing on these two tabs, it opens out the microphone holder. And then with the logo towards us, that's the way we want to speak into it, we can fit the microphone and slide it into the fitting. As you can see, it's quite held quite well sprung in there. Then you can just screw the fitting onto the boom arm. And just tighten it up in the position that suits you. So next we can grab the USB cable, and as you'd expect, one end goes into whatever device you want, and then the other just plugs into the bottom of the microphone. You can use them little Velcro straps on the boom arm just to hold it in place. I'm just going to show you the foam top. That obviously just slides on the top, nice and easy. Or alternatively, you've got the pop filter, and that just, by unscrewing the clamp quick as I can. You can just attach it to one of the arms. Doesn't matter which, just grab one of them. Then with a little bit of play, you need to bend this into the correct position for what you need. And that's it. So what do I think of the UM900? So very similar to the other UHURU microphone, the UM910. It's just with the boom arm. I think the boom arm works a lot better for me personally because it gives you a lot more flexibility. I also think for sort of gamers and things like that, you've got this whole arm to reverberate any vibration off the desk. So I prefer it for that sort of thing, and you get less noise from tapping on the desk and tapping on your keyboard and mouse. So it just works a lot better for me. No complaints on the build quality. It's all as you'd expect, really. As you can see, I'm using the foam filter for the moment, just because I think it takes up a lot less of your face when you're recording, but they both work out about the same. But as you can hear, it's cutting off the P's and the F's, so you don't get that pop sound. Hopefully this video has helped you. If it has, make sure you throw a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, throw them in the comments too. I'll try and answer as much as I can. Otherwise, you can find us on Discord, and we'll try and help out in any way we can.